What the heck was that, boy?
It was a fold paper. Do you have any idea how hard that was?
Boy, it's just paper.
I'm preparing for the big thing, dude. Because I'm getting my muscles ready for the big thing, you know?
Tell that to her. Do you think that was pathetic? Yes.
Yeah, look, no, she wasn't. You see this? She loves me. You see this?
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah. By the way, you guys, have you checked out my wolf? Anyways, have you checked out my wolf cap? Look, it's my brand new merch. We're launching it out right now. Look, it's 50% off. It's $100, really cheap. Look, you could get it. You could get this wolf merch at wolfmerchandise.com right here. It's only $100, you guys. 50% off. It's a really good deal.
Boy, you could get actually just a red hat without the wolf. The 99-cent store. You're gonna actually make us waste $100 for just the wolf.
It's wolf. That's like so incredible.
So incredible,
dude. It's like so cool.
No,
like,
it's
look,
not.
Wolf like, look, she likes it too. Like,
yeah, she threw it in the floor.
Oh, sorry.
So much for your merch.
I'm sorry. Just kidding, you guys. It's just my hat. Just, you know, something to wear to block myself from the sun. But anyways, as you read in the thumbnail, we're making something big, something enormous, something awesome. It's called a giant ninja star.
Yeah, we never done one before.
No, we never did. We're making a big one. It needs a lot of Wi-Fi, guys. We gotta get that highest Wi-Fi in the world. We're gonna have to steal some Wi-Fi tower from around here in the corner because we don't have enough Wi-Fi. Like so big, you guys. Just so awesome. Prototype 2 edition 2. It's gonna be awesome, you guys.
Just without the Wi-Fi.
Sure, dude. It has Wi-Fi.
Okay, we'll see you after the.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this. So let's get right started. Okay, you guys. So the only thing you're gonna need is duct tape. Just give it to me already. Yes, we're just gonna be needing this, and we got this. We got 6 papers. Well, project papers. I don't know what you call it. Green and red. I don't know. Different type of color, but like there wasn't not that much options at the dollar store, but it's still good. It's still good. It's pretty.
Dollar store. We meant Target.
Target, yeah, Target. With dollar store, who goes to the dollar store? We go to Target, dude. So we're gonna put these on the side. I don't know what is this, but please do not ask. But so we're just gonna put this on the side because we're gonna stand up 3 of the papers, the green papers, to make the first page. Then we're gonna fold it like we did to that paper that's RIP. So let's just put this in the side real quick. We'll be needing that like in a few minutes. Come on, that's so disrespectful.
Yeah, so disrespectful. Be quiet.
Okay. So if we put that in the side, as I said, what you want to do first, put these 2 papers up, one up forward and one up down. But what you want to do first is get the tape, your handy tape, like I said earlier. And like try to make this like barely touch together, because that's what you want to stick. Let's get like piece by piece. I don't know if to do it. Should we do it like that or like that?
Either way is fine.
That's not.
You're the master.
Yeah. Finally say something awesome. Technical difficulties, you guys. Okay, which is this. Okay. Just put this right here. Oh man, I think I'm doing this kind of like bad, but it's okay. It's okay.
You can do it perfectly all the time.
Yeah, you know, you guys. Okay. That's how you do it, you guys. And just to be sure that it doesn't wipe off, just put like, I don't know, like a couple of them right here.
To support it.
Support it a bit.
Because you don't want it blowing away.
You don't want it to blow it away and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Rip this too. No.
I'm stuck.
Okay, you guys. So you could do it like either way how you want. You could do it like that, like any way you want actually. But like we just did it like this, so it could give a little bit support to the tape. So it cannot just rip off like
Yeah.
the tape.
Yeah, because the tape we're using is that yellow, peach,
Yeah, it's not the
white.
best kind, but like it's tape, you guys.
Yeah, if you guys are using the gray tape, then it's better than.
Oh my god, these
Yeah,
flies.
it's better.
Then what you wanna do? Put that like a bit down, and now you're gonna be needing this. Oh man, you guys, there's no space in the table.
You have to make it, man.
I know, that's what I'm trying to do. Hold it steadily like that, and you're gonna do
You're probably gonna need 2 people helping you on this.
Yup.
Are you a dog?
No. Woof. And repeat the same process as in the other side. Go like that to put some support in it, so it cannot just fly away or something. So repeat the same process as in the other 3 papers. Just put them on the side. I don't know, whatever you want to do with it. Throw in the trash in it. Put it to the side. I don't know what to put. You know, I'm just put it like right here. I hope it doesn't mess up because of these cats.
The violent cats. Oh, hello.
And repeat the same process with these 3 papers.
Okay, begin.
Finally. Now that those 2 are done, I don't know which one to start with first. Yeah, anyone is good. But we need a. You just attacked me. Did you see that?
Yeah.
This is really hard, you guys.
So we moved it from the table to the floor because the table's too small, so we're not able to bend it. So
Shut up, dog.
it's
Hey, look at that.
just a bunny rabbit. Oh no, there he is.
Guys, we're finally making blogless. So you wanna bend it like this? And half like we did to the other people. So then what you wanna do is this. You wanna fold it like that, just like that. Then just la la la.
What is that of la la la?
I don't know, la la land. Okay, and then open it. I made you guys do this. I'm so evil. Then what you want to do is this. But this train. Too much interruptions out here. Can I get some privacy? You too, dog? You too, Rocky? Let's see what this. Get on my dog. Nah, I'm just playing, you guys. I'm not talking serious because you know it's inside. This one too. Stop it. Then make this one go over here. Over here. You guys are. I'm tired already, you guys. It should be looking like this so far, you guys. Then what you want to do? How's it? Then you want to turn it around. Then make this wing go this direction. Take this out of the way. Take this out of the way. Put this wing the other direction. And then make the other wing go the other direction, which is this way.
Make it kind of look like a Z.
Kind of look like a Z, you guys, but it's not a Z, you guys. It's gonna look better. No. Okay, you guys. I thought this was gonna be bigger, but it's actually gonna be pretty small. So then you just go this direction.
I mean, if you guys want to make it bigger, then just give more than
then
6 papers.
Turn this. No, first let's do this side. You make it go. Yeah. This way. This way. This makes it go this way, you guys, like just like that, and then you turn it around. Too much flipping, you guys.
No, it looks like kind of like an M.
Then you just want to trim this part, like cut this. I don't wanna use my teeth. I'm gonna go get some pair of scissors right now. I'll be right back. Are you guys ready to see the world biggest ninja star? Drum roll, please. Sorry, you guys. I mean, we thought it was gonna be bigger, but we had to trim the papers because it was too long. The papers, but it needed to be a bit wider. Yeah, we didn't have enough paper, so we eventually had to trim it and trim it and trim it. So this is what our finished product. I know in the thumbnail it looks big, but guys, please don't roast us for making this, please.
Yeah.
Please. Yeah, guys, it's not the best thing, but I like it. It's pretty good.
Yeah. So where's the Wi-Fi?
There you go.
Unlimited. What is that? What is chicken scratching?
It's a Sparrow. Unlimited 4G Wi-Fi, dude. It's with the Wi-Fi.
Oh.
Unlimited 4G Wi-Fi. This one doesn't work. Dude, my Wi-Fi.
That was not supposed to happen, but
You wrecked my.
your Wi-Fi does not work, so
Dude,
your fault.
Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, leave words on the bottom of the video. Say it was an awesome video, you guys. And I'm sorry again for like this not being what we said it would be, and the thumbnail was fake, but it's still cool. It was a pretty good video. Until next time.